TikTok fans, how you doing? The TikTok or the hashtag TikTok emergency trend is here, and it's packed with creativity, humor, and surprises. Let's check out the top videos you need to watch. You could go ahead and open up your TikTok, right? You have the emergency dance-off. Right? If you want to know basically how to look it up, go ahead and click the search at the top right, and then type emergency dance off. Right? Creators are turning mock emergencies into hilarious dance challenges. Fire alarms? Nope. Dance alarms. Next, the DIY rescue hacks. Right? You could type DIY rescue. Right? Rescue hacks. From saving a dropped phone to rescuing snacks from high shelves, these over-the-top hacks are pure comedy gold. Next, the pet emergencies. You can type pet emergencies. Okay. And dogs and cats responding to their own owners yelling emergency, only to see treats or toys. Adorable chaos ensues. Next, over dramatic acting. TikTokers channeling their inner soap opera stars, complete with dramatic music and slow-mo effects. Pretty amazing. Next, the plot twist emergency. What starts as a serious setup ends in unexpected hilarity, like realizing you're out of coffee. So this is the emergency TikTok trend that you can use for enjoying that trend, right? The mix of humor, relatability, and surprises keeps viewers hooked. Plus, it's easy to join in with your own spins. Which TikTok emergency video had you laughing the most? Drop the link below. Do not forget to like and subscribe.